The 2009 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front side airbags, automatic stability control, center armrest, power door locks, power windows, child safety locks, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.